Hi everyone. In this lecture we will discuss about building your first JUnit 5 test. So let's go to Eclipse and see how we can create our first JUnit 5 test. So friends, let's build our first JUnit 5 test. So in order to build our first JUnit 5 test, first we need to create a Java project. So in File, we'll go to New Java Project, and let's say we give the name of the project as JUnit 5. So friends, in order to write JUnit 5 test cases, we need to have Java 8 and above installed in our machines. So here I am using Java 1.8. We'll do finish. So here you can see a new Java project has been created by name JUnit 5. So here what we'll do, we'll right click on it. We'll go to build path. We'll create a new source folder and we'll give the name to it as test. We'll do finish. And now on the test folder, we'll right click. We'll go to new. We'll select JUnit test case. So here you can see a new pop-up window has been opened. And here are three options, like creating JUnit 3 test, JUnit 4 test and JUnit Jupyter test. So here we'll select new JUnit Jupyter test because we want to build JUnit 5 test case. We'll give it a package as and let's say we give the class name as first JUnit 5 test. So this is our class name, first JUnit 5 test. We'll click finish. So now Eclipse is saying that JUnit 5 is not on the build path. So we need to add the JUnit 5 library to the build path. So we'll select it and we'll click OK. So here you can see that all the JUnit 5 jars are included by the Eclipse. And the version it has included is 5.4.0. So here you can see there is no one single jar like JUnit 4. It has many different jars. So we'll discuss more about these jars in upcoming lectures. So for now, we'll just open our test class by name first JUnit 5 test. So here you can see it has one test method by name test and it is annotated by @test. So we'll discuss about @test in our upcoming lecture. We'll just execute this test. So we'll do right click, run as JUnit test. So here you can see this test case got failed because inside this test method we have provided a fail assertion which will fail this test case explicitly. So here you can see that in JUnit window it shows that the test method got failed, and here you can see it has given assertion failed error that not yet implemented. So this is what the text is getting printed. We'll discuss more on this in our upcoming lecture. So for now we have created our first JUnit 5 test which we ran and it got failed with a red bar. And let's say if we remove this assertion and now we run it, so as in test method there is nothing to execute. So it shows that our test method got passed and it conveys it by a green bar. So friends, in this lecture we saw how we can build our first JUnit 5 test in Eclipse IDE. I hope you like this video. Thanks, have a nice day.